Hello guys, today I will show you how to create flyingbird game application in line with our subject Android based game development. So let's have a little demo of this flyingbird. Okay, in this game, as you can see, when I get the yellow ball, the score increased by 10, and when I get the green ball, the score increased by 20, and when I get the red ball, my life decrease by 1. And when you get 3 red balls or danger balls, the game will be over. So I can play again. This is a little demo, so I will finish this demo. Okay, it's already finished. So let's create this application. So first, we need to open Android Studio, go to File, click New, then New Project, then choose Empty Activity, click Next, I will name mine is Flying Bird Game App, then choose Java instead of Kotlin, then choose Android SDK minimum. I will choose KitKat as my minimum, then click Finish. Then okay, we will wait for the Gradle to I will close this tab of Android Studio. Okay, let's wait for Gradle to build. As you can see, the project created activity main, Java and XML. The XML file is for design. This is for functionalities. So let's go for XML design. Click split. We don't need this. Wait, just zoom it. This text view here. I will delete this by pressing keyboard. Then change this to relative layout. And then I will erase this slash. Then there you go. So we need to erase this background of empty activity because it has action bar. So we need this empty. So first click rest, go to values. Under values, go to themes, click themes XML. Under themes XML, there is parent class. Just change this for no action bar. Theme no action bar. There you go. Then choose this themes XML night. Then change this also for theme no action bar. Then you can close this, and let's see. Oh, the action bar or the white background already gone. So under action XML and main activity, we don't want to start with this. So let's start by clicking up and create another empty activity. Empty activity. We will create the splash screen. The splash screen or simply the front page. We will use main activity for our game. So I will close this first and this Java file. And let's go to XML file of activity splash. Click split. Let's change this to relative layout. Then after that, go to drawable, rest and go to drawable. Then right click, show in Explorer. As you can see, we don't have any sprite images that we can use as background. So let's copy these images, copy, and let's paste this on our drawable. Okay, and then let's go back to our Android Studio, and voila! As you can see, the background bird or the images sprite that we copy is already on the drawable. So let's type background here so that we can set up our splash background. Splash this one. Oops, sorry. There you go. You can see the splash design. And then type image view so that we can type the the bird. I will set this up. You can just copy this. So then after that, let's try to insert this splash icon. There you go, the splash icon, which is the bird. And then let's try to create text view. Then this text view, let's enter this match parent, then wrap content. Oops, sorry. Then don't forget to write ID for this one. Let's try to write text view 1. Here is, let's try to write image view, and then let's set up this text view. Flyingbird. Let's align this text. Let's try to put the text on 130 dp. Then let's try to resize the text size 50 dp. So we can see the text, so we will change the color of the text. For now, we will try to change it for black. You can change it, we will change it later. So as you can see in our design, the text and the bird, or the text overlap the bird. So we can do is go to the image view, then layout below. Let's try to write this text view para bumaba yung ibon so that the bird will go down and they don't overlap. I think this is good enough. Then let's go to splash activity. In the splash activity, we will be having like 5 seconds delay. See, it is a bit delay to open. So let's try to do that. First, we need to put thread. Then the runnable void. Let's erase this super class. Then let's put try catch. Oops, sorry. Try, then catch. Sana ganun lagi, may nagka-catch. Yan. In the catch, we'll type exception E. Then we'll type finally. Then in the try, we will be putting sleep for 5 minutes, 5 seconds. You can change it if you want. You can do it 3 seconds, but I will put it 5 seconds. In the exception, just type print stack trace. Here we will do intent. This intent will allow us to go to another activity. For example, this is splash activity. After the 5 second delay, this splash activity will close and the next activity will go to the main activity. So let's type new intent. Splash activity that this we will force like we will saying that ito yung activity natin, splash activity, parang ganun, parang specify natin na si splash activity yung activity na tinutukoy natin na pinanggagalingan niya. Okay, so let's start the next activity, which is going to main activity. So may error tayo dito kasi nakalimutan natin yung semicolon. And then after that, just and para gumana yung 5 seconds natin, huwag kalimutan si start si thread. And then para mag-close naman si activity natin or para mag-close si activity, we need or mag-post si activity ng for 5 seconds na sleep, we need this fragment activity. In this fragment activity, we just type finish. Then, here you go. Your splash activity is already set up. So, let's try this on BlueStack. As you can see, my BlueStack is my Android Studio is already connected to BlueStack. You can do by click build. First, yung una nyong gagawin pag hindi nyo pa na-set or hindi pa mabasa ni Android Studio si BlueStacks nyo, click build, then click build bundles, then click build application. In your first time building the project, it will take I think 20 seconds for the project to build the Gradle. And after that, you can try to run it already on the BlueStacks. Yon. After that, it says no error. Good. Then let's locate. After you locate this app debug, double click it or click enter or double click. Just run the application. Then after that, go to BlueStacks, then the notification bell. Here you go, the flyingbird game app. Then wait. This issue guys is parang yung SDK kasi natin. Naka SDK 30 ako. And same din ata sa inyo kung Android Studio. Kahit na download nyo yung ano kasi yun yung parang default niya, yung SDK API 30. Pero yung gamit kasi natin is hindi pa siya API 30. Kaya nagkaka-error. Pero okay lang to kasi hindi pa naman siya big deal so far. Parang ano lang siya sa text, nagkaka-problema. So click OK. So, yes. Bakit ganito yung screen natin? Kasi hindi pa natin na-set up si manifest na dapat si splash activity yung una nating papakita. So, go to manifest, Android manifest XML, Control X this, or cut, then paste that on this splash activity. Para siya yung unang i-run ng simulator. Para masabi niyang, uy, ito si main. And then, nakita nyo naman na, nakita nyo naman na naka-landscape. So, in the Android manifest then, let's try to change that to portrait. So, screen orientation. There. Tapos, choose portrait. Same with main activity. Enter. Screen orientation. Portrait. After that, pwede nyo nang ayusin to kung gusto nyo ayusin. Or kung ayaw nyo, okay lang din naman. Then, let's try to run the virtual device. Pag na build nyo na siya, o kaya pwede nyo ulit i-build, build EPK. Let's wait for the Gradle to build. After that, you can locate, then reinstall. But check the folder. Every time you build the application, it will open debug folder. So you better close that. Okay, then check the notification bell. Then click this, the latest update. Here you go. Then wait for 5 seconds. Boom! This is the main activity. So that's it for the first part of our activity. Video. Wait for the next video to we finish the splashy screen. So wait for the next video and thank you for listening guys.